Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Ethiopia. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Remitly app, then go to the top left corner of the screen, and here you can choose the country that you would like to send money to, in our case, Ethiopia. And when the page loads, you just have to tap on the get started icon. And here you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you are going to see your local currency. And below that, you are going to see the amount in the recipient country's currency, in our case, Ethiopia again. Then you just have to tap on continue. And here you can see all the available options that you can use for money transfers to Ethiopia. We have bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. Just choose the one that you wish to. And when you choose it, you are going to see another list with a few options. Here, for example, with the banks, if you don't see the bank that you would like to use, you can always tap on the choose another bank and you can add the one that you wish to choose. Just choose the account, then add the account number of the recipient. Here I'm going to use a fictional number. Then you have to type in the first name and the last name of the recipient. You can also add the phone number if you wish to, but you can also skip this step. Then the last step is going to be where you have to add your bank, your debit or credit card details. And the Remitly app is going to actually take the money as a payment from your debit or credit card and deposit it into the recipient's address bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.